the serum, I know he a fiend. Certified like the Marines. Hey, I'm from that motherfucker bottom.
We're having a vlog party. You like that 25?
I gotta get every single bike, bro. I did not cop no 25. Damn near the same thing. I'm waiting till the 26 comes up. 26, that's what I'm gonna get. I might go electric. Yeah, what you know about that?
Hey, so when I had lifted up, did the wheelie, you was scared?
Not really. I was just like, Lord, please don't let him fall.
Nah, man, I'm certified. I ain't gonna let you fall.
Big boy stuff. Look at Buzz, kid.
Buzz.
Where's my car key at?
Oh.
Almost to the keys. About to blame it on mine.
So we try to strike the Benz? He try to strike the Benz. No.
No, not my whip, but he so like he was drunk, like he wasn't coherent of it.
That nigga wasn't drunk. That boy was trying to strike, son. You need a kickstand, Brody.
Kickstand 5.
You see how she posted up vibing? You need a kickstand, Brody.
You need a kickstand there. Hold your bike, kid. Now you looking buzz. Hold your bike, kid. Hold your bike, kid. Now you looking buzz. Now you got no choice but to hold it. Brand new, kid. I was gonna lay your bike on the floor, kid. Brand new 25 on the floor.
Hey, yo, boyfriend who's acting crazy. Take on his bike.
Steady dropping them keys. She about to lose
You don't
it.
want that car.
You know what I'm saying? They complaining about the keys. Look.
Fuck.
Set the pipe.
Yes.
Look, man. I ain't on the bike right now, but we vlogging. You feel me? Y'all let me know if y'all want some more dirt bike vlogs. You feel me? Well, right now we tapping in Ski channel. I don't know what he gonna do with the footage. This Ski for him, you feel me? Hey, you can airdrop me this footage, bro. What? What you mean what?
on this here?
I don't know.
What this, you know what this shit worth?
I appreciate that.
It's not good for me.
Appreciate that.
For getting me started on YouTube, for convincing me to start YouTube, this is my gift from him, from me to him.
You found this outside, nigga. Alex on the tube now. You feel me? That boy tapping in. Huh?
That boy work from Google now.
Boy, that boy work for Google. We all Google employees. That boy KT need to get on, bro. KT be flagging, man.
For what?
YouTube, bro.
I gotta cop my bike, man.
Man, you need to get, bro. You need to get on YouTube, bro.
You know they wanna see me bike showing flow.
You need to get on YouTube, man, bro. KT already got a bike, but he trying to come in with a. He trying to jump in YouTube with a brand new 2025. You already got your bike. A lot of people don't even got bikes.
Listen, I'm
You feel me? A lot of people don't even got bikes, bro. They wish, nigga, this election start too.
I'm coming real
Vibing,
soon,
bro. They trying to jump in the game fresh on their ass. Why KT trying to do that, bro? Come on, man. You just gotta start from somewhere, bro.
Started from the bottom, now we here.
What you talking about? You see Ski now, that boy on the brand new 25. Feel me?
Mira esto, son tus chamacos, mira. Aquí estos chamas cubanos también. No.
Ahorita, ser en vivo. Hola.
Lo mandé para Cuba.
Sí.
Lo mandé para Cuba. ¿Viste cómo se ponen los
Boy's
chamacos?
in Cuba height.
Pesado.
That boy editing the video already. That nigga ain't playing. That boy editing already at a gas station.
Hey, you talking about you editing already? nigga uploaded right now.
Gracias por regalarme el video, gracias.
Yeah.
Sí, vamos, dale.
Thank you.
No problema.
Dance ho. David got him dance ho.
Yeah. What is it? Miami Bike Night. That's how we do it. They twins.
So y'all want to be the vlog?
A minute.
We're going to be gone in a minute.
Fucking with them hoes, you gonna wake up the next morning and pee and start burning. Shit burning.
Are you gonna take us down the road and shit?
Where y'all from?
I'm from Derry.
Derry Beach.
Delray?
Where you from?
Here.
Here?
Ain't nothing to do over there.
Yes. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. It is. West Palm this morning.
What y'all doing over here?
We're stranded here.
Yeah.
No, for real. We're gonna go back home, but like literally, our friend left us.
Yeah, she a bad friend. I
You know
got,
who you are, friend.
I gotta leave her
Leave her a
alone.
message.
Man, I hope it never happen again.
Right. I would hope that our safety is your
Why she left you though? What
first
was the reason?
concern next time.
She said she was annoyed. First, she told one person that she was leaving, and not all of us. And the one person she told grabbed her stuff, and my house keys is in her car. So she left. Like, even if I did find a way home, I wouldn't have no key to get inside the house.
Fuck
Why
that.
you gotta record everything?
We vlogging.
Type shit.
Okay, now can you like vroom me on the bike though? Like,
No! I refuse. No!
like
Yo. I'm a beginner still, but I'll be vlogging.
It ain't running right.
Damn. You know,
wait, who car? Oh, I was about to say, that's the car. Okay, so you're not gonna take us on the road. You lied to us?
I've been on a dirt bike. I'm good.
Bad friend. I don't know his name. Fuck Alex.
Oh, wow.
Damn.
Wow.
Fuck Alex. He didn't give us no ride. He scammed
I'm a beginner. I
He
don't want to
scammed
put you at
me.
risk.
He said, yeah, we're gonna go ahead.
fire, guys.
But now I'm ready to drink.
What y'all sipping on?
Well, we getting Henny, and then I got some whiskey.
Whiskey?
Yeah, I like dark, strong shit, like Henny and shit.
Shut you
And
fucked up.
Cause I don't like tequila and vodka. It like make me sick. It make me feel like I gotta throw up.
Yo, we out of here.
No, we doing it wrong, bro. We doing it wrong.
Oh, easy, fella. Easy, boy. Gotta take it easy with that one.
Who's a real dumb man? You heard the song that said, but it came back for you. I just needed time. Right at these scratches. Shit, lover boy ass on, bro.